Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already you know we are discussing the second lesson and that is 4 operations. In previous videos you learnt the properties of addition, properties of subtraction and properties of multiplication. In today's class we are going to learn the properties of division. Okay, so here you are learning the 3 properties. So the first property is if a number is divided by itself, if a number is divided by itself, then the result is always 1. Yes, then let us take one example. I will take here 6 divided by 6. Okay, if a number is divided by itself, then the result is always 1. So take here and divide 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Again you take 17 divided by 17. It means, see here, when a number is divided by the number itself, the result is always 1. Not only you take 6, not only you take 17, not only you take 100, you take any number and divide by the same number, the result is always 1. Then take here 17 and divide with 17. 17 ones are 17. 7 minus 7 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Not only this, again I will take one more example. You take 5286 divided by 5286. Divide this number, okay, 5286 and divide with the number, same number. 5286 ones are 5286. So 6 minus 6 is 0, 8 minus 8 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, 5 minus 1 is 5 minus 5 is also 1 and here I got quotient as a 1. Okay, so this is the property number 1. If a number is divided by itself, then the result is always 1. Okay, on that basis only in your my practice time 4 page number 101 second main fill in the blanks is there, that is there on the basis of this properties. So let us see where I got answer as a 1. So where is there, see here, 32,685 divided by dash equal to 1 is there. So why they wrote here 1? On the basis of here property number 1. When a number is divided by itself, then the result is always 1. So tell me what I have to write here. I have to write here 32,685. 32,685. Why I wrote understood? Here the result 1 is there. When a number is divided by itself, then the result is always 1. So this is the property number 1. See again where any questions are there here? No, so not there. So first one is, the answer is 32,685 on the basis of property 1 of division. Next, here one more property is there. Then what is that number? See here, if a number is divided by 1, if a number is divided by 1, then the result is always the number itself. See here, when you are dividing a number, so take here 5896 divided by 1 is 5896. Now again I will get here what? See here, 2000 divided by 1 is again 2000. 2,895 divided by 1 is always 62,895. When you are dividing a number by 1, you will get the result same. Means if a number is divided by 1, then the result is always the number itself. See here, don't get confusion. The property number 1 and property number 2. Property number number 1 means if a number is divided by itself, the result is 1. If the number is divided by 1, then the result is always the number itself. Here it is there. If you are dividing with 1, no, you will get the same answer. So here some of the examples I will solve from your My Practice Time 4, and that is here 1023 1023. If a number is divided, yes, that is property number 1. If number is divided with the same number, then the result is 1. Yes, this is property number 1. Next, what is there? See here. Here 23,656, and here I got the result, the number itself, that is property number 2. Then what I need to write here? 1. 23,656 divided by 1 is 23,656. When a number is divided by 1, then the result is the number itself. Here also 41,276 is there. Here also the same answer is there. Means what I need to write here? 1. If a number is divided by 1, the result is the number itself, that is property number 2 of division. Okay, this is clear. Property 1 over property number 2 over. Then here one more property is there. One more property is there, and that is property number 3. If 0 is divided by any non-zero number, then the result is always 0. See here, 0 divided by 23,456 is 0. 0 divided by 8,272 is 0. When 0 is divided by any non-zero, then the result is always 0. That is the property number 3. Okay, here we are learning the properties of division. See here. So here any number is there, no, that is divided, 0 is divided by any non-zero, then the result is always 0. So solve this example. See here, divided by, what is there here? 456 is there, and the result is 0. So what I have to write here? 0. Here result is 0 means again I have to write here 0. So these are the 3 properties. Okay. First one is, if a number is divided by itself, then the result is always 1. When the number is divided by itself, then the result is always 1. Next, when the number is, if a number is divided by 1, if a number is divided by 1, then the result is the number itself. One more is there, if 0 is divided by, if 0 is divided by any non-zero, then the result is always 0. So these are the 3 properties, very important properties of division. Okay, I hope you understood this. If you know the properties, then you can solve the division examples also. So here let us solve some division examples, and we need to verify the answer also. Okay, so I will solve some division examples as usual. In next class I will teach you My Practice Time 4, and that is first one, divide the following and verify your answer from page number 101. See here, I would like to say one more thing. To solve division examples, you need to know tables compulsory. If you don't know tables, then you can't solve this examples. Okay, I hope you understood this properties also. Here 3 important properties are there. Then let us solve some examples of division. I will take here some very easy examples. So let us recall the previous syllabus. So let us take one example. I will take here 4,286 divided by 2. 4,286 divided by 2. Okay, so here I will solve some examples. Next, here, so this is the symbol of division. Okay, so right here 4,286 divided by 2. See here, for your understanding purpose, I will write here tables. So take here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. So I wrote here examples. Here I wrote tables. Okay. So see here 4286 is there. Here in this table that number is not there. For that what we need to do? You have to take what? One digit. So let us take this 4. Okay. Then take here 2 how much ja? 4. 2 2 ja 4. 2 2 ja 4 and 4 minus 4 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. Next which remain here? 2. See here while taking don't take all the numbers together. While taking down no you have to take one digits. So here again 2 is there. Then just see in 2 ones the table 2 is there. Yes. In 2 ones the table 2 is there. 2 how much the 2? 2 ones are 2. Okay. 2 minus 2 is 0. Again you need to take this 8 down. While taking first I took 4, next 2, next 8. Then take what I have to take. See here 8 is there. In 4 ones the table 8 is there. Yes. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. And while solving no it's better to write tables in one side. It becomes one type practice also for you people. So here while solving the examples no you write tables compulsory. Okay. So I will take here 8. 2 4s are 8. Next 8 minus 8 is 0. Again you take here 6 down. Yes. 6 is there. How much are? 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay. So this type you have to solve the examples. See here I have solved all the examples, isn't it? But here each term has its name. For this what we are calling? For this and this and this. Okay. So here 2 is there no? That is what? That is divisor. This is dividend and this is quotient and this is remainder. So I will write here in short form. This is quotient, this is remainder. We are representing with a capital R. This is Q and this is divisor. This is divisor and this is dividend. Okay. This is dividend. Is it clear? So this type, so each term has its own name. In next class how to verify the questions that also I will teach you. Okay. So please try to solve. I will give here some examples. So please solve these examples in your home. Let us take these examples. 4 2 3 6 divided by 2, 5 8 5 5 divided by 5, 6 8 9 3 divided by 3, 8 0 5 0 divided by 4. So this 4 examples and whichever example I have solved no that one means total 5 examples you solve and send it to my personal number. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.